Hi everyone, myself Satya, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. In today's class, we are going to have the topic Business Model Canvas. That is, we are going to analyze a startup company. Okay, so now we chosen one startup company from USA, which is Dropbox from Y Combinator. So this is we are going to analyze the freemium pioneer's path to a smart workspace. So then there are 9 blocks of Dropbox. One by one we are going to see now. The first thing is customer segments. So that is from the individual to the enterprises. Okay, those are the customer segments. The second thing is value propositions. So here we need to have more than just a storage. Okay, that is we are going to store, right? If you have the space more means we can allow it, right? And the third thing is channels and customer relationships. So here we are going to have the product led growth. Okay, and fourth one is revenue systems. So here we are going to have the premium economy. And fifth one is key activities. So here we are going to have the engineering and AI innovation. So based on that we are going to have the activity. And the sixth one is key resources. So here we are going to have the magic packet, the infrastructure. And the seventh one is key partnerships. So that is ecosystems integrations. And the last thing is cost structure. So which is efficiency at scale. Okay, so that is the thing we are going to see one by one. And the next thing is customer segments. So there are 700 million registered users we are having in this startup company, and the individual consumers, SMBs and free sellers and large enterprises. There are 3 categories. So in first category, free users, that is 2 GB tier, which is very personal tile storage. The second thing is power user requiring advanced sync and backup. Okay, and from the second category we will have 2 items. The first thing is small teams, which is going to needing the shared folders and document workflows. The second thing is creative professionals using Dropbox Sign and DocSend. And the third one is large enterprises. So here we are going to have the organizations which is going to require the advanced security compliance and the admin controls. And the next thing is knowledge workers seeking an AI powered smart workspace. The next thing is value propositions. So here we are going to have the smart workspace. So the first thing is seamless synchronization. So that is going to access the files across any device with industry leading speed. And the second thing is collaboration tools, which is going to native integration of EC natures and document analytics. And the third thing is AI powered search, which is going to Dropbox dash for finding the information across fragmented applications. And fourth one is security and reliability. So advanced encryption and recovery for sensitive business data. And the next thing is reaching and retaining the users. So the first one, viral referrals. So here we are going to reward the base storage for inviting the new members. And the second thing is direct sales. So which is going to high touch teams for enterprise conversion. And the next one is relationships. So here we are going to have the self-serve model, 90% of revenue generated through the automated channels. And the next thing is product-led growth. Free tier acts as the primary acquisition funnel. And the third thing is automated support, that is going to scalable health centers and community forums. And the next thing is revenue streams. So here we are going to have the premium engine. So there are 3 cases we need to analyze. The first case is annual revenue. So above we will have 25, right? And the next one is paying users. So nearly there are 18.08 users we are having. And the next thing is operating margin, so which is from 40.6%. So that is the annual revenue growth. So there are billions of USD we are having. Okay. So the next thing is key activities. So which is going to have in engineering and innovation part. So first thing is platform development, and second one is infrastructure management. Third thing is marketing and sales. So first, which is going to a continuous update to the smart workspace, and which is going to file the syncing algorithms. The next thing is operating and optimization, and if you want to ensure 99% uptime and data integrity for 700 million users. The next thing is managing the viral referral engine. Okay, so key resources, that is the magic packet we are having. So that is, we need to, if you want to transitioning from third party cloud providers to our own infrastructure, improved margins, and gave us the total control over the user experience. Okay, and we will have customer infrastructure, brand equity, and talent proprietary IP. And the next thing is key partnerships, the ecosystem, technology partners, and distribution partners, infrastructure partners. So these are the partnerships we are having. Okay. And the next thing is, yes, so which is a yes, this is the final thing. So if you want to have the server infrastructure, and we can maintain the magic packet storage network. And R&D is, if you want to significant the investment in AI native platform evolution, sales and marketing. So if you want to strategic spend for enterprise and market penetration. Thank you guys.